A pleasant day, everyone. This is Donald Vlog signing on. You're listening to Wild Zeke SFM, brought to you by Gobernador Radio, and in part to you by Ver Verdadero and Dexter De La Cruz, together with your host for today. Not actually host, your vlogger for today. This is Donald Vlog saying eat less, move more. At katatapos na ng ating binyagan. And of course, ang ating inaanak si Liza Garingan. Okay, so andito ang ating kumparing gobernador sa likod. Ayan.
Hello.
So, gobernador, anong ano natin dyan?
Saying tayo kasi nakadalo tayo sa baptize ng isang panibagong angka na uli ng Kristyanismo.
Okay, so that's it. And of course, our konsi kumpare na sa likod, sa driver natin. Medyo busy pa mga kaburlatoy kay Suka. Mga gandang doon, mamaya balikan natin. Okay, and of course, shout out to Rapid Slam family, Solid Empire TikTokers, Set Synergy GC, and of course, SM Caponians Forever Young. Okay, so again, this is Donald Vlog saying, eat less, move more, and it is the heart and the brain by the highest that attained, and you follow its love, best, far excellent, all the rest. God bless you guys. See ya.